Can you guess this cartoon logo voice? Excellent, it's a Nickelodeon. Do you know this cartoon logo voice? Amazing, it's a Disney Channel. Listen carefully, who logo is this? Good job, it's a CBBS. Next question, who is this? Fantastic, it's a Universal Kids. Who cartoon logo behind this voice? Wonderful, it's Space Toons. Try to guess this cartoon logo voice.
We're watching Team Nick.
That's right, it's Teen Nick.
We're watching Team Nick.
Identified this logo voice. Outstanding, it's Nick Jr. Do you recognize this logo voice? Brilliant, it's Playhouse Disney. Guess this cartoon logo voice.
PBS Kids.
Awesome, it's PBS Kids.
PBS Kids.
Get ready to guess the next logo voice. Fabulous, it's Me TV Toons. Which cartoon logo sound match this voice?
Don't go too far. NBC Kids will be right back.
Perfect, it's NBC Kids.
Don't go too far. NBC Kids will be right back.
Let's see if you can crack this one. Great job, it's Disney Cinemagic. What about this one? Awesome, it's a Pop Max. Can you recognize this cartoon logo voice?
Fox Kids, Fox Kids, Fox Kids, Fox Kids, Fox Kids.
Fantastic, it's Fox Kids.
Fox Kids, Fox Kids, Fox Kids, Fox Kids, Fox Kids.